Kekenhun Menteri Jong Khuborjylla ni kesengi kelarai bahagi kendiat por kins Pynbna no ikam balaj Meghalaya jar Tylli kikam aketanat Pulit pakentup ikisan sepak Tylli aketanat civil defense pat home guard. Apakeren bigilak patai Khubor hadin kejingalang kekenhun Menteri Menteri Khuborjylla ba polling dot ulai thu ba kekenhun Menteri kala menjeru la ka jong kertana kebenta kikam ke Paidbah begitu kitanan.
Service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defense and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. The minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit, as decided by the cabinet today, has been fixed, ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defense and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department, and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of what was discussed at today's cabinet meeting.